everyone. Well, since travel to faraway places is almost impossible at this time, decided to go down to Italy and to a place in the region of Cinque Terre. So I guess I'll have something to show you. Let's start our journey. At the moment we're going up to the San Bernard Pass and over to the Aosta Valley. On the way up to the Great San Bernard Pass, I decided to unpack my drone and show you a few villages from above. The Great San Bernard Pass is the third highest road pass in Switzerland, with an elevation of 2,469 meters. It does connect the canton of Valais in Switzerland with the Aosta Valley in Italy. It is a pass lying on the ridge between the two highest mountains of the Alps, being the Mont Blanc and the Monte Rosa. Shortly before driving through the Great San Bernard Tunnel, I took out my drone a second time and flew over the dam called Les Toules. This dam was completed in 1963. Have you ever heard of the San Bernard dogs used in rescue operations? The Great San Bernard Hospice later became famous for its use of San Bernard dogs. The hospice was founded in 1049 and is situated at the highest point of the road. So, just had a break somewhere in the middle of nowhere and having some, don't ask me what, with spinach. And another 2 hours to go. So, over here you have to wear your masks inside. And outside, as far as I'm informed, as from 6 p.m. So that's going to be interesting. 6 p.m. all through the night. Seems like we can move again. We've been waiting here for about half an hour. Don't know what's really happened.
guys, so now we are in La Spezia. We just passed by the town, still on our way to Vernazza. So La Spezia is the capital of the province of La Spezia, and it's in the region of Liguria. So it's got around 90,000 inhabitants over here, and what you can see mostly is the port around here with some of the Navy vessels that they have, and in the back there even some big ships that is going out for cruises. Right, so let's continue to the town of Vernazza. See you then, guys.
Looking down the coast, I suddenly spotted the brig La Grace, which was headed towards Rio Maggiore. So I immediately stopped, took my drone out and flew it down to the brig. The vessel is an authentic replica of the brig from the second half of the 18th century. The original vessel was also renowned for her corsair activities. Especially well known is her victory over 2 Spanish barks carrying sugar, tobacco and wine near the coast of Guatemala.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sento a Torino.
That was a big tour of Livorno. Not that I've seen much, but surely walked enough.
Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante.